a backward journey. Well, now come to these two curves. Here in these two curves, you can see that this curve is showing increasing speed. Whenever the speed or velocity is increasing, obviously there is acceleration. So here in this portion, the speed is increasing. Remember this, increasing or decreasing speed, there is acceleration. So to find out the acceleration, you can find out the gradient at different points from the curve. But in the case of velocity time graph, this is also increasing speed. This is also increasing speed, but here the increasing acceleration. Okay, here is only increasing speed and showing the acceleration. The acceleration can be calculated by finding out the difference of these 2 points, which have already discussed in the previous video. Okay, but here you can see that here the acceleration is increasing. As I told you that at different points of the curve, the acceleration can be calculated with the help of the gradients of the line. As you know that here the gradient is lesser. If I am going to draw a gradient at this point of the curve, for example, this is the point here, my foot ruler is steeper, lesser steeper now. But yeah, if I am coming at this point, my foot ruler have become more steeper. It means here the acceleration was lesser, but if I'm going gradually with the curve like this, so my acceleration is increasing. So although this is an increasing velocity, but side by side the acceleration is also increasing. Okay, now come to this curve. This is a curve in distance time graph. This is the curve of decreasing speed. Decreasing speed. And you know that whenever the speed is decreasing, there is negative acceleration, or which is called deceleration. But in the case of increasing speed, this is also increasing speed, this is also increasing speed, but this is decreasing acceleration. This is not retardation. Decreasing acceleration mean its gradient is decreasing gradually. If I am traveling my ruler along with the curve, then you can see that the steepness of the ruler is decreasing when I am moving like this. And when this curve become horizontal, it means that the velocity will become constant. And for the constant velocity, you know that the acceleration will be zero if this curve becomes like this straight horizontal line. Okay, so now if examiner is asking that find out deceleration, and you got that a is equal to, like here in this case, you got a is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. A is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. But examiner is seeking, the examiner is using the word deceleration. Then what you will have to write? Deceleration. Deceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square. Okay, so remember this, with the word deceleration there is no need to mention negative sign, because the word deceleration itself is suggesting that the speed is decreasing. Throughout this straight line the gradient remains the constant, so speed will be constant. This is the constant speed. I earlier told you in this page that this is showing the constant speed in distance time graph. Actually, this is showing that the speed is increasing in the case of velocity time graph. Okay, so that is why I gave you a comparison. Please listen to this video again. Okay, I'll upload it on Edmodo, inshallah. So you'll watch it again, then inshallah you will be able to find that what is the difference between speed time and the velocity time graph. Okay, uh, these are the curves according to which I have told you that what is the decreasing speed mean and deceleration, and here it is increasing speed but decreasing acceleration. I have explained it to you.